Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. There's this AI training platform that hires worldwide. It's not new actually. It's been there for a while, so I just want to introduce you guys to it because I've not talked about it on this channel. They have multiple positions available. When I say hiring worldwide, I'm talking Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, India, wherever you are. This company hires worldwide. So what we're doing today, we're not doing too much. I'm just going to walk you through the platform, show you how it works. There's an onboarding, of course, but they have multiple positions. Okay, there's also documentation before you can start working on this platform. So if you're interested in training AI in 2026 and you have not tried out this platform called After Query, go and check them out now. They have loads of openings for you. Before we start, if you like what I do on this channel, give it a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're just watching and passing by. Comment and let's go there. So this is the jobs they have now. They have loads of roles open. You can see it's up to 10 pages and each page has 12 roles. 12 different positions in each page, so you can go check them out right now. These ones you're seeing are hiring worldwide, but some they'll specifically tell you that they want people from the UK or US, which means that one is not for you. This one now, for instance, is for everybody: content writer and evaluator, global. Even customer service representative expert is still global. You see jobs like economics expert, finance expert, undergraduate, early career. So whatever is your occupation, I'm sure you will definitely find something you can do. Generalist accounting expert, general after query expert, data annotator. This one is open, okay, and it's for everybody. Job description includes: this is a remote position, project-based role for experienced practitioners across any professional domain who can apply their real-world expertise to data annotation tasks. You will review, label, and evaluate data samples, including text, documents, model outputs, and domain-specific content, providing expert judgment, structured annotation, and reasoned assessments that require genuine hands-on professional experience. This position offers exceptional pay, exposure to cutting-edge AI development workflows, and a strong addition to your professional portfolio. Why apply? Flexible time commitment to work on your schedule while contributing meaningful domain expertise, exceptional pay, portfolio building, gain experience contributing, professional growth. Apply your domain expertise in a novel, high impact context. You review and annotate data samples, including text, document, and model generated outputs. Apply domain specific expertise to evaluate the accuracy. These are your responsibilities. For required qualification, they need 3+ years of professional experience in any domain requiring specialized expertise, example, law, medicine, engineering, finance, science, or similar. Preferred qualification is prior experience with data annotation, content review, or AI model evaluation workflows. Familiarity with annotation platforms and structured labeling tools. For company description, After Query is a research lab investigating the boundaries of artificial intelligence through novel data sets and experimentation, where they are backed by top investors including Y Combinator and Box Group, and supports all leading AI labs. So if you want to do this, click on Start Application. It will open like this. You see more details. So this is just my demo account. Okay, you need to put your CV if you're applying for this job. You need to add a resume. This is a contract position. It's a remote position, and you need at least 10 hours a week. You need at least 10 hours a week commitment, and start is ASAP. So let's go back to the home page. There's an onboarding, and which is the first step, very important step. This onboarding includes a non-disclosure agreement form you need to sign. Open it like this. It will open and load for you. So you sign it. Your signature is requested on this place. So put your email address to verify. I'll not do that now because this is a demo account. You also sign data submission form, then you verify your identity and set up payment. Coming down here, let me click on this, my name, go to settings. On this setting, make sure that your name, your legal name is here, your correct legal name. Like I said earlier, this is a demo account. It doesn't have accurate information about me. So this is your legal name should be here and it should be accurate. The legal name you would use to withdraw your money. You can generate a username, public username, the name that you want people to see, and then make sure you put your LinkedIn. Coming to time zone, you see I already selected West Africa, Lagos. I just wanted to show you guys that it's available worldwide. If it is not, you will not see these different time zones here. So select your time zone, whether it be South Africa, Egypt, select your time zone. Selected West Africa, and then select your phone number, your country's code, and then your payment method will be easier for you to verify. If you choose the wrong one, if you choose the wrong country and you're not there, you don't even have a strong proxy or VPN, your money is gone. So I selected Nigeria. I've chosen my phone number, the country's code. Then feel free to enter your contact details here. Choose your date of birth here. You also need this, have a resume, up-to-date resume. Availability is very important. You need to make sure that you select this availability. Make sure your availability is open, and then most importantly, make sure you can work up to 40 hours a week, even though jobs might not be there, but make sure that you can commit at least 40 hours a week. The employers will look at you like, yes, you're actually ready for work. And select immediate start. So if any job you get, any project you land, it means you're going to start working on it immediately. And then work time zone, I've already selected. So make sure you select the actual time zone of where you are so that you can work according to that time zone. If you're in West Africa and you're choosing America, it's not the same time, you're going to struggle. Make sure your job status is open to work. This will allow recruiters to contact you about any opportunities, about new opportunities. For communication channels, enable this: email, SMS, and WhatsApp. Community preference, full-time opportunities, okay? And then you enter your minimum pay. Part-time opportunities, enter your minimum pay per hour. And then put your interest. What's your interest? What's not your interest? Put everything. And as for privacy, you enable this, enable analytics. It helps them understand usage and improve the platform. So this is just how you're going to fill your profile. You cannot bypass it. As for the onboarding, like I said, you sign this non-disclosure agreement and data submission form before anything can be done. There's also a referral program whereby if you refer someone, you also get the token or whatever, how they put it. So go and check them out. I just thought to share today. I just thought to share this one, because they have loads of openings right now and it's available worldwide. I went through the whole jobs here, and you can potentially earn around 1,000 here if you complete a project, and it starts from $15 per hour upwards. I like the fact that they are not paying like 150 per day, they are paying it per hour, which makes it a good mine. Go and check it out. Let me know your thoughts. If you have signed up here on After Query in the past, okay guys, we are applying everywhere. Okay, our agency is coming up now. I don't even want to go into all of that. It is for the chosen people. You will know very soon, but go and apply for this one and see if it works out for you. I just said let me share. Okay, I'm not doing too much on this video. Thanks so much for sticking around till this very moment. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment and share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.